Welcome, I'm Terri Walsh, and welcome to the jungle of Manuel Antonio, Costa Rica, and the A.R.T virtual studio. This dynamic cardio mobility workout is 15 minutes long, and it's a great way to increase your range of motion, get stronger, burn fat, and build lean muscle mass. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get started. Okay, let's come on down to your mat. You're gonna need your 2 foam yoga blocks. I've got a towel on here so I don't slip. So I want you to wrap your fingertips around the front edge of your block and your thumbs around the side. And we're going to line up 4 active resistance points: feet, navel, ribs, and shoulders. So I want you to get your wrists under your shoulders, press your shoulders towards your hips, and pull your navel up until you feel the rib cage close over your abdominal wall. Pull your navel back, flex your feet. Watch me first. We're going to warm this up a little. It looks like this. You're going to circle your knee, and then you're going to press back into a downward dog, and then release the knees to the floor. We're going to stay on the same side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Circle, replace, press back to downward facing dog, release, and that's 1. Circle, replace, press back, release down, 2. Circle, replace, press back, release down, 3. Circle, replace, press back, release down, 4. Circle, replace, press back, release down, 5. Circle, replace, press back, release down, 6. Circle, replace, press back, release down, 7. Circle, replace, press back, release down, 9. Circle, replace, press back, release down, and 10. Okay, now let's switch that over to the other side with your other leg. Get ready. 4, 3, 2, here we go. Circle, replace, press back, release down, 1. Circle, replace, press back, release down, 2. Circle, replace, press back, release down, 3. Circle, replace, press back, release down, 4. Circle, replace, press back, release down, 5. Circle, replace, press back, release down, 6. Circle, replace, press back, release down, 7. Circle, replace, press back, release down, 9. One more. Circle, replace, press back, release down, and 10. Now let's hold this here. Watch me first. You're going to step in, line up your foot right behind your block. You're creating the active resistance by pushing down. I want you to push down, open to a twist, turn towards your thigh, pull this hip backwards, replace down, and replace your leg. Get ready. 4, 3, 2, here we go. So step in, open, close, and that's 1. Step in, open, close, and 2. Step in, open, close, 3. Step in, open, close, 4. Step in, open, close, 5. Step in, open, close, 6. Step in, open, close, 7. Step in, open, close, 8. Step in, open, close, 9. One more time. Step in, open, close, and 10. We're going to do the other side. Get ready. 4, 3, 2, step the foot in. Step in, open, close, 1. So push down into the block, pull your navel back, that's 2. Keep your rib cage closed, 3. In, open, close, 4. Find and engage your active resistance, 5. Now you don't have to go this fast, you can slow this down and do half the reps. You're still getting the work down. That's 7, in, open, close, 8, in, open, close, 9, one more time, in, open, close, and 10. Next, I want you to drop your butt to your heels. Watch me first. Your butt goes to your heels, then you're gonna drag your body forward out into a plank, and that's called butt to heel, out to plank, right? Get ready. In 4, 3, 2, here we go. Butt to heel, out to plank, release down, 1. Out to plank, 2. Out to plank, 3. Push down, navel up, out to plank, 4. Push down, navel back, out to plank, 5. Get your chin forward of your blocks, 6. Engage your upper back, pull the shoulders towards the hips, out to plank, that's 8. 2 more times, out to plank, 1 more. Now hold your plank here. Contract your quads, stay here. Press the shoulders towards the hips and push down into the blocks. Stay here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release your knees down. Stretch back for a quick second. And now let's stand up with me. Slide your blocks off to the side. You're going to stack them up. You may need them to put your hand on. So watch me first. So a little bit of lower body mobility. Watch first. You're going to step out and your hand can go all the way to the floor. It can go to your thigh, or you can stack your block as high as you need to. All right, so you're going to pick your level. We're going to do 10. Get ready. 4, 3, 2, step side. So step side, push off, that's 1. Step side, push off, 2. Step side, push off, 3. Step side, push off, 4. Step off, push side, 5. You're pointing your tailbone all the way back, that's 6. Pull your navel back as you come up, 7. Press your shoulders towards your hips, 8. Push down, navel back, 9. 1 more. And that's 10. Let's go to the other side. Get ready. 4, 3, 2, here we go. Step side, 1. Step side, 2. So I'm doing it in a couple of different levels, 3. So you can pick one that works for you. This works for you, that's great. Tap the blocks, that's great. We have 3 more. Last 2. Last 1. And hold it right here. Now grab a block. Let's add some upper back and spine mobility. Take your block, place it behind your head. Tap that block right at the back of your neck. Pull your elbows wide. Pull your navel in. Your feet are just slightly hip-width apart. Bend your knees. Pull your navel back. Now you're going to pull the elbows in, round your upper back, and then open and pull your elbows further back. Squeeze your upper back. Get ready. 4, 3, 2, here we go. Now curl in and open, that's 1. Curl in, open, that's 2. Your knees remain bent, open, 3. Use the active resistance, pushing the head into the block, 4. Curl in, open, 5, curl in, open, 6, curl in, open, 7, curl in, open, 8, curl in, open, 9, one more, curl in, open, 10. Now keep your elbows back, straighten your legs, pull your navel back, press your hips forward. Now let's pull the elbows back, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold those elbows back. Hold your elbows back. Soften your knees. Now, I want you to hinge forward. Look at the floor. Come back to where you started, and that's 1. Get ready. 4, 3, 2, here we go. Hinge forward, and that's 1. Hinge forward, keep your elbows moving back, navel back, 2. Hinge forward, pull the elbows back, 3. Hinge forward, pull the elbows back, 4. Find the active resistance in your feet, pushing down, 5. Your knees are bent, they remain bent. You should feel your quads and your hamstrings now. That's 8, 2 more. 1 more. Now hold this right here. Stand all the way up. Elbows back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now hold that. Don't let those arms come down yet. Keep pressing your hands into the block. Keep pressing your head into the block. Now let's release that down. Let's come on down. Back to your mat. You're going to stagger your blocks. So let's put your right knee on the block and your left hand on the block. Watch me first. You're going to extend your back leg out. Push down into the blocks. It looks like this. You're going to open, close, and pull the back knee into the elbow. Get ready. 4, 3, 2, here we go. Open, close, knee to elbow, 1. Open, close, knee to elbow, 2. Open, close, knee to elbow, 3. Open, close, knee to elbow, 4. Push down into the block, push down into the floor, create the active resistance. 2 more times. Open, close, knee to elbow, 1 more. Open, close, knee to elbow. Now hold this here. I'm going to turn to the front so you can have a better view. Your leg is extended behind you. I want you to bend your knee and put your shin on the floor. You're going to push down and kick side. Get ready. 4, 3, 2, here we go. Push down, 1. Push down, 2. Let your shin touch the floor every time. That's 4. Push down, 5. Push down, 6. Push down, 7. Push down, 8. Push down, 9. Push down, and 10. All right, we're going to do the other side. So let's set this up on the other side. You have one knee on the block. Put the other hand on the block. Extend that leg long behind you. Press your shoulders down, pull your navel up. And it's open, close, knee to elbow, 1. Open, close, knee to elbow, 2. Open, close, knee to elbow, 3. Open, close, knee to elbow, 4. Open, close, knee to elbow, 5. Open, close, knee to elbow, 6. Open, close, knee to elbow, 7. Open, close, knee to elbow, 8. Open, close, knee to elbow, 9. One more. Open, closed, knee to elbow, and 10. Now replace your shin to the floor. Get ready to send that leg out to the side. In 4, 3, 2, here we go. Kick side, 1. Kick side, 2. Climb onto the block every time. That's 4, 5, navel back, 6, shoulders towards the hips, 7, push down, 8, navel back, 9, and 10. Now let's slide backwards, drop your butt onto your heels, lengthen your arms, pull the shoulders towards your hips, drop your head. Come on up and find a tabletop. Send the shoulders towards the hips. Now I just want you to circle the hips around. Circle back, press forward. Find the edges of the circle, doesn't matter which way the circle goes. We just spent 15 minutes opening everything up, getting everything loose, and now I want you to enjoy it. So really enjoy the circle here. Press back, press down, press side. Now let's go the other way. Press back, press around, press front. So try to smooth that circle out. Find the sticky bits and press back into it. Don't worry about your speed. I want you to find and engage the active resistance. One more circle here. Now you're going to hold this center, push down into the block. Let's open your left arm and push down with the right. Let's hold this here. Take that bottom shoulder and push the bottom shoulder down. Take your hips, move the hips forward and pull your navel back. Hold that there. Now let's switch sides. Push down into your left and open to the right. Take that shoulder, move that shoulder down towards your hip and press your hips forward. Come back to the center. Let's have a seat. Extend your legs out as far as you can in front of you. Give them a quick shake. Reach forward. If you need to soften your knees here. Hold this here, pull the shoulders back. Now let's walk your hands back. Cross your legs. Let's take a deep breath in and breathe out. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. One more time. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Thanks for showing up today, not just for me, but thanks for showing up for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this cardio mobility workout. If you have any comments, leave them below. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. Leave them below, and I'll see you next week.